Welcome to this week's video. A very quick video, guys, showing you how to make sweet, spicy onion salad, the red sauce you get in the Indian restaurants. All the ingredients descriptions will be in the description box, so check that out. So we've got some mint sauce going in. We've got some sweet mango chutney going in now. So trying something a bit different this week, guys, with this upload. So hopefully we'll enjoy this type of video. So after that, we're going to get some, there we go, ketchup going in. So that will give it some of the sweet element of it as well. Then I've got some chili flakes going in to give the spiciness, the heat. We've got some lemon juice going in. Then we're going to add some paprika powder going in, so sweet paprika as well. And then I've got some Kashmiri red chili powder going in. And then if you want to add regular chili powder, please feel free to do so, because that will give it some nice spice to it. Now we're just going to mix it all together and then enjoy it with some poppadoms. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and give it a go. After the video, I actually had most of this in one, with all these poppadoms. Really nice. Enjoy.